Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Only does it one time. Cold start in the morning. As soon as you turn the wheels, it starts popping.